Alright, this is Journey for Christ Digitals. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're just joining us, so try and look at the subscribe button and subscribe. This is the home of premium videos where we deal with premium things. Alright, so this morning, as I promised us, we want to continue on our freelancing game, on our freelancing work. Alright, so out of the freelancing site I've given you, we want to look at one of them this morning. Okay, so if you have missed the freelancing first class, go to the YouTube, go to my channel, subscribe, click on the notification button, so you see all that things that we have done so far. Alright, check it out and you are going to see how we have started. So we want to look at business list, businesslist.com.ng. These are the, as I've told you, they are the local freelancing sites in Nigeria. Okay, most of us are used to the foreign one and we find it hard to get gigs and to get order. All right, so these are the easiest one in Nigeria that you can easily use, and it's different in a way from those general ones that we use. This one you have to go, you know your niche, you know the skill you can offer. As I've said it before, you need to have a skill. All right, you know the skill you can offer. So this is businesslist.com.ng. I've done my work on this. Okay, I've received an order from this, and this is the way I used to do it. Okay, in the next 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to show you the way I used to get my order. Make sure you watch to the end. You don't want to miss the secret. All right, so let's roll into the game. So once you enter here, you can see it. Location. We have a lot of states. Okay, so you have to look at your niche. I want to use a niche as an example, a web design niche as an example. All right, all of these people, they should have websites that you're using. So this is a really good work for web designer. What do you do? Graphics. Are you a graphic designer? What else do you do? Okay, that you can freelance. All right. So like me now, I can easily just pick any. You can check SEO. Alright, as you can see a lot of things that they are doing. If you're into marketing and you need the marketing job, you can come to marketing. There are a lot of marketers. Can you see marketing? Look at your state, okay, marketing stuffs. Alright, so what will you do there? There's nothing you need to do. Just enter the site, look at what they are marketing. Okay, so as I've said, I want to use websites. Every aspect, web designer will see their work. Look at these people. Look at these people. Let me check their website. JU Rahama Nigeria Limited in K2. Alright, I'm not playing their video. Okay, this is their website. Let me see their website. So you log into their website to see how their website look like. Nah. No. No. I can do more beautiful work than this. Wow. Yeah. So you have to look. Okay, look at their website now. All right. So I will try and message them. This is their official. This is their official email. All right. I can email them. Okay. There are ways of doing that. You're going to use ChatGPT on how to draw your proposal, and it's a kind of email you can send to them, like a gigs. Okay, let them know you appreciate their work. You have seen what they have done. Okay, you like to work with them. Tell them you can give them a better befitting that they can do this. Don't please don't embarrass their website. Okay, do it in a way that it will arouse their interest in you. Like this website now, it's not good looking. Okay, it's not good looking to me as a web designer. Okay, so I can message them that I will give them sample because they will ask for your samples. Okay, you know Nigeria with scams now. Okay, so very hard for them to believe. They can ask for you to see them physically, be prepared. All right. So that is all we got about our service. No, no. Okay. So that is one. That is how to do one. And if you have something else to offer to them, okay. So think of something you have to offer to them. Give them a good review. Talk about them. Can you see? Can you see? So give them a good review. As you are doing that, they know you. All right. So you can do that. Go over again. Advertising companies should be able to do. There are some small businesses. Tailor and alteration. Let me see tailor and alteration. Okay. Let me see this tailoring stores. So just look at your niche. Calm down with your niche. Work out with your niche. Okay. All right. 3 years. Do they have websites? Okay. They have a website. Not reachable app. Maybe they are out of website. Yes, this is another way for me to make money. They are out of website. Or something is wrong with their website. I'll just go there. Appreciate their work. Let them know that I can make a fitting better website for them. And I'll give them the sample of my work. Okay, what else can you do for them? Think about what you can do for them. Businesses is giving you a lot of work that you can work with. When you look at the list that we have here, just go there. Technology, look at technology. Okay, these are web services. Maybe you want to work with them. Okay, look at technology, look at what you can do. Okay, entertainment. Look at how you can offer entertainment your skill. How you can offer them your skill. Events, finances, how you can offer them your all of these people need web design. So web digital marketer, web design. Okay, you can run ads for them if you know how to run Facebook ads. All right, tell them that you want to help them to run Facebook ads for their business. Look at lawyers. Look at lawyers. I think I'm doing one recently. Looking at some lawyers. Okay, that does not have a website. Some of them that need to be known. All right, so these are the ways you can do it. So with business list, you can easily get your dream freelance work. I hope you get this. I'm going to release other ones also that you can use. 3, don't forget I'm doing local way to be a freelancer in Nigeria or anywhere you are in Africa. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Don't chop your subscription now. Encourage your boy. All right, see you in the next video.